Today we're going to show you how to install the Sunkey Lite on your Wii console. The package comes with the Sunkey Lite chip itself, an insulation sticker and the DVD drive ribbon. If you've watched our Wii disassembly video, your Wii should look like this. Now the first step is to just remove the power cable with your fingernails like so. And then the DVD ribbon cable, which is a fold-up clip. Just use your fingernail, be very gentle with this one, and then pull the ribbon cable out like so. Now the chip itself has two switches that need to be set on it depending on what region your console is, whether it's from PAL, European, United States. The camera will just focus and you'll see the two switches. Okay, switch 1, switch 2, sorry, switch 1, switch 2. If for PAL consoles, both the switches are in the off position, which is the default how the chip comes. If you're in the United States, the chip or the switches are, number 1 is off and number 2 is on. So if it's USA, on like so. And for Japanese, it's number 1 on, number 2 off. There is actually a little guide on the chip that you can see here. This explains what the switches should be set to, depending on what region of your console. So now that we've got a PAL console here, so both of them are in the off position, and now we'll go ahead and install the chip on the console. So the first step is to take the original Wii ribbon cable. Once again, the chip is just a fold-up clip, and then place your ribbon cable in the end, like so. Just make sure that it's nice and even, and then fold down the clip. Now once this is done, you would want to connect the ribbon cable that goes into the drive, so we'll put that in place first. Pins go down. So again, just make sure that it's even in the clip itself, like so, and then fold the clip down. Now you can see that the ribbon cables are quite tight. Now we just need to position the chip. It wouldn't hurt to just press down the ribbon cable on this end, and a little press to fold the ribbon cable here so that it's nice and flat. And now we need to just apply the insulation sticker itself. Just peel off the little 3 end tabs, push the chip down, and make sure that it covers the chip. So just put this over like so, and then peel off the other end. This holds the chip in position and also protects the electronics from touching anything on the DVD drive. Now that we've done this, we just reconnect up the DVD drive. Basically just fold her up, plug in the power cable, and this part you just have to lift the drive, connect the ribbon cable, fold it down. Now that's done, just push the power cable back into the slot that it came from, fold the drive over, and then that'll sit quite neatly in place. Now that's actually installed. You're now ready to reassemble the console. Would be an idea to actually test the unit before you reassemble it, just to make sure everything is working correctly. Don't tighten up the screws too much on the 4 screw holes here, because it can cause reading errors, so just be gentle with those. With these chips, they're very sensitive to the disc, brand of disc you're using, like all Wii chips. Make sure you're using verbatim DVD-R. If you're using that meter, you shouldn't have any problems. Avoid any DVD+R. And you should have no problems at all. So that's actually the chip is now installed and ready to go. So give it a test, and when you see everything's working, reassemble your console, and that's it.